Please completely read and understand the Quick Change Wasteboard Frame Owner's Manual before attempting to assemble your Quick Change Wasteboard frame. Only attempt to assemble and use your Quick Change Wasteboard frame when you are sure that you have completely understood the instructions. The link to the Quick Change Wasteboard Manual can be found in the description below. Welcome to the Onefinity CNC Quick Change Wasteboard assembly video. Today we'll be unboxing and assembling the new Quick Change Wasteboard. The first thing we'll notice is there's no foam packaging. We have cardboard packaging with the bolts hidden inside. In the box we'll find our two tubes, and each tube has two rail ends to mount the Onefinity to, and we have 4 pieces of our T-track. This is the secure from below version. Please check out our other videos on YouTube to find the secure from above version. We'll start by laying everything out with the bolt heads on the ends of the tubes facing out. Once we've got that laid out, we can go ahead and start getting our bolts threaded in just slightly. We'll do this on both tubes, connecting the T-tracks to each side. Once both ends of the T-track are connected to the tubes, we can go back with a 5mm hex key or impact wrench and tighten those down all the way. In another video, we'll be showing how to attach the Onefinity CNC to the Quick Change Wasteboard frame. This concludes the Onefinity CNC Quick Change Wasteboard assembly video.